This is Maine's total weather early on a Tuesday morning. Another snowstorm bearing down on the area. If it's not snowing where you are right now, just give it a couple of hours. The snow is continuing to overspread the area and the intensity is going to pick up as well. Note the winds out of the north-northeast. Sustained winds at 25 to 30. We may gust close to 40. That's going to lead to blowing and drifting of the snow. Storm system developed and strengthened during the overnight hours and continues to move north-northeast along the coastline. Now by this afternoon, with the storm out over Cape Cod, we've got the heavy bands of snow pivoting in from the waters and the blowing and drifting right through the afternoon into the evening hours. In fact, even tomorrow, note the snow still coming down through central Maine. That may jackpot some of the amounts there. In fact, snowfall amounts are going to average between 12 and 18 inches across the board. So today, no doubt about it, a total weather alert. You can see here some of the heaviest snowfall amounts, perhaps down along the mid-coast out toward the western side of Penobscot Bay. But boy, everybody's in on the action. Even the mountains picking up close to a foot of snow. So travel becomes increasingly difficult as the day goes on, and that isn't really going to improve until sometime on Wednesday.